Hello, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, so today I have 5 minutes to kill before I run in for pickup. So I have something here. This is Skin Vigorate brush, and this is a 3D Time Wise cleanser. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you my morning routine very quick. So this brush is really amazing for washing of the face, and you can, as you see, I'm out and about and I can still clean my face if I want to. And that's it. That's a cleanser, and that's it. I don't know if, yeah, that's it. That's the amount I'm putting there, very little. And it's timed for 1 minute. So you clean your face wherever you are. You can use this brush, you know. It's very nice. See the way I'm going round avoiding the face, round, wash your face. 1 minute and it will go off. I don't need to time myself. It's already timed. See, this brush cleans 10 times more than what the hands can clean. We know we use our hands to wash our face and you think it's clean. It's not at all. But this brush cleans very deep into our skin and unclog all the pores that are clogged with dirty, you know. Unclog all the pores in your face. 1 minute and it's over. Look at this. I showered this morning and there's still dirt on it. Look, I washed my face this morning and I showered this morning. So sorry about that. Clean up. I'm gonna be using my baby's wipe to clean this off since I'm in the car and I can wash my face. Yeah, so clean up the face, wipe it out. Yeah, and that's it. My face is clean. You can't beat using this to wash your face and using your hands. So when you're in the shower, you can use this brush because it doesn't use battery. Yeah, it's chargeable, so you can use it in the shower anytime. When it's not going to spoil. Yeah, and this is my day cream. Yeah, this is my Time Wise 3-day cream, and it's with SPF 30. Yeah, so I'm gonna put just a little, very small, goes a long way. This, and you massage through into your skin. Massage it in. See the way I'm rubbing it around? You don't need to always drag your face down. You massage it right into your skin. Look at that. Look at how my face is shining. Yeah. So after cleaning your face, and I just want to do a very short and easy makeup, just to go out, like, okay, I want to step out and I don't want to make up too much. So what I'll do, I'll use my CC cream, and there's my brush. I use my CC cream for my face. Where's my brush? Okay, I can't find my brush. Okay, I see it now. Yeah, so this is CC cream, and I'm using medium to deep. I'll just put a little bit of it in my hand. I'll use this blending brush to do that because I can't find my brush. I guess, well, yeah, just go around my face. It's more. Yeah. This blending brush is really nice. Helps you blend out all your makeup, foundations and all. So this is my CC cream because I don't want heavy makeup, so that's why I'm using it. And after this, I'm going to be using my brow tint. Where are you? I'm going to be using my brow tint. There. So this is my brow tint. When I don't want to use the eye pencil, I use this. Just use it to brush it down. Yeah. Do this one. When you don't want to draw eye pencil on your eye, you just use this brow tint to line your eyebrow, you know, and it stays, looks really nice and natural. Yeah, that's it. Ooh, I've overstayed. I said 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes. So that's it. Use my tint, my brow tint, and don't forget to use my eye pencil. I'm gonna just use it quickly because I'm running out of time. I need to go and pick my daughter. The gate is open. Yeah, so this is just a quick makeup, quick 5 minutes makeup. I even washed my face while in this 5 minutes. So yeah, quick makeup, and you're good to go. With the CC cream, you don't need to do much, you know. So you just use your CC cream on your face, and look at how my face is. I just use the CC cream. I didn't even put any other powder on my face, and that's it. I'm good to go. Yeah, so this is really good for people that don't want heavy makeup on their face, that just want very light makeup. Yeah, this is really what you need. A CC cream, a cleanser, and you're good to go. I need my lip balm. Where's my lip balm? All right, I didn't see it. I'm going to be using this. Yeah. Very nice lip gloss. There. And how many minutes was that, guys? I washed my face in the car. I creamed my face and I made up. Bam! 5 minutes and you're good to go. So that's it for today. And please DM me to know the product I used for this quick makeup and this quick face wash, and get yours, because the this Skin Vigorate brush is really good. It's what every man and woman needs to get for your face. You think you wash your face clean with your hand, and you don't. There are so many dirt clogging your pores. That's why you have so many you have what's it called, blemishes. You have spots coming out your face because your pores are closed. You know, your pores are closed with dirty and you don't wash it out properly. That's the reason why you have all those problems on your face. So yes, talk to me and I'll get back to you. All right, bye. And I have to go, have to leave you. Go.